banks of the river Krishna, in the new state of Andhra Pradesh, a new future is born. Amaravati, the people's capital. Irrigated with an abundance of recycled water, a green spine runs from the river edge, dictating the sustaining grid of the city. Formed around 13 urban plazas representing the state districts of Andhra Pradesh, a powerful celebration of an ancient past, defining what is to become the most beautiful and sustainable city of tomorrow. Flowing waterways, green open spaces, the highest standards of sustainability, large shaded walkways, an environment designed with people at its heart. The vision for the government complex to be energy self-sufficient, made possible by generating 100% renewable energies from the latest technologies. Solar energy will sustain a transportation system comprised of e-buses, metros, water taxis, and bicycles. Better connected, cleaner, healthier. Reusing water for irrigation. A city that is smart, created using local materials and local expertise. Every building certified for sustainability. The legislature stands proud at the heart of the Amaravati government city, with viewing decks and a museum open to the public, an icon of the state, a symbol of the future. Inspired by the traditional stupa, the High Court is a democratic and cultural landmark for the people. Elegant horizontal fins, an open roof, natural ventilation, yet protected from the rain and sun. 5 graceful towers form the secretariat and government heads of department, surrounded by public squares, with the Palavagu waterway running through its heart. Amaravati is the people's capital, at the forefront of a nation's mission and a beacon to the rest of the world.